Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. And today I am going to show you a very simple way of creating the hazelcast using the Spring Boot application. Hazelcast is one of the cache where you can store the object in the in-memory. It is a in-memory cache. It is equivalent to the Redis cache, and Hazel cache is very powerful these days, and so many clients are using this Hazel in-memory cache. So I'm going to create show you the coding how this can be achievable. Very simple way to get start. So first of all, I have if you can look at my IntelliJ IDE, I created the Spring Boot project. In the Spring Boot project, I just took a couple of dependencies. So if you see, I'm using the Hazelcast 3.1.2 at the time of recording this video, and there are two dependency I'm using. Of both of the dependency are the same version. One is Hazelcast client and just a Hazelcast. So let's move on to the Hazelcast server. Here I have created the Hazelcast instance, and I put just five element in this hazelcast instance. So, and if you see the line number 9, have provided the new hazelcast instance a hazelcast configuration. What is this hazelcast configuration? It is the management center where you can configure a UI kind of Hazelcast, where you can see here. This is where you can log in to the UI, where it shows you that how many cluster Hazel in memory cluster exist, and what are the number of objects, size, and so on and so forth. So this is not important for me at this moment. I will come again and show you how to set up the management center for the Hazelcast. For now, let's focus on the server. So this is all about configuring the management center, and let me go ahead and start. What I will do is, for now, I will take out the management center UI configuration from the server. Okay, let me start a Hazelcast server. So you can see Hazelcast is starting. Just give a second. Let's wait for get it start. So you can notice in my IntelliJ IDE console that it is scrolling down. Okay, well, Hazelcast server has been started with the port 192.168.0.7 on port 5708. There is a exception. If you see, this is related to the management console, which is not able to connect. So we'll focus on this one, and this is the reason I'm unable to connect the management for now. So this server Hazelcast server is started, and this server is having these are all the element. Let's move on to test this server. How I'm going to test the Hazelcast server is, I just created a simple Hazelcast client, and I use the same name of the server of no cluster name here, client name, because I'm going to find out get me the element for 5L. So essentially what it does is that it goes to the Hazelcast in memory cache. It try to get this element with the name 5. Let's test this and see. I can find the element 5. What is the element 5 is? The output is supposed to be 5, FIVE 5, and if we get that, we are successful. Okay, as I mentioned, we are successful. We are successfully able to test Hazelcast server and the client. This is a very quick and a simple way to get start your head with Hazelcast. So feel free to ask me if you have any doubt running this one. I will upload the same project onto a GitHub. I will share in the description as well as I will provide the link for that as well. Thank you for spending a time with me and see you next. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.